Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get even stitches in your crochet without having to count your stitches. So I'm just chaining up a couple chains here, and then I'm going to do single crochets in rows. So there's my first single crochet. I'm going to grab a stitch marker. You'll need 2 stitch markers for this. And I'm going to put it through that first stitch there, and then I'm just going to single crochet across. So you don't have to do single crochets. This will work for whatever stitches you are working on in rows. So there was my last stitch there. Chain 1, turn my work, make my first stitch, grab my second stitch marker and put it through there. So basically that's what I'm going to keep doing. I'm going to keep moving my stitch marker up to that first stitch in the row, because now you can see that first stitch in my row is my last stitch. So now I can see that is my last stitch. I'm going to take that out before I make my single crochet in there. And then chain 1, turn your work, and just keep moving your stitch marker up so you won't be afraid of increasing or decreasing by accident. You know where that last stitch is from the stitch marker.